6. Proven ways to make easy money online. In this video, I will personally show you how to make money online. All you need is your laptop or your phone. No technical skill is needed to start. You can start right away on these platforms and start earning money online. Before we start or begin this video, welcome to the channel, the Money Making Channel. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever we upload new content online, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. The number one is called Honeygain.com. This platform actually only uses your data connection, and all of your personal data stays completely untouched. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. To get started, you can click right here to install it on your Windows. So actually, once you start using Honeygain, your devices act like view towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. If we scroll all the way down right here, you can earn up to $55 monthly. Scroll down, right here, factors that influence how much you earn. Your location. Your earnings depend on the traffic demand required for business clients, as well as the number of users in your area. The number of IP addresses. The more IP addresses your devices are connected to, the more you can earn. Then finally, the network ping/speed. Scroll down again, 5 steps to start using Honeygain. Step 1. Set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, or Android device with a stable internet connection. Step 2. Run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Step 3. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. Step 4. Help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Step 5. Get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or JMPT. The number 2 is called Swagbucks.com. Let's be sincere, we all know we can't get rich by doing online surveys. Swagbucks is actually a survey platform that lets you do a variety of tasks. You can make money by browsing the internet, taking surveys, watching videos online, playing games, and for uploading your grocery receipt. This platform is perfect to use during your free time. Swagbucks is available both on Android and iOS. Before we go further or move on in this video, if you enjoy this video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. Number 3 is called Webull.com. This is technically an investing app. Once you sign up and fund your account, they will provide you with 12 free stocks to invest in. If we click on Market right up here, on this page, you are going to see a lot of indexes to invest in. All you have to do is sign up and pick the ones you want to invest in. If we click and go to the download page right here, you can get started right away with your Mac computer, with your Windows computer, and with your Linux computer. You can also get the app on your Android device or your iOS device. The number 4 is called Mturk.com. This website is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. There are still many things that human beings can do much more effectively than computers, such as moderating content, performing data deduplication, or research. Traditionally, tasks like this have been accomplished by hiring a large temporary workforce, which is time-consuming, expensive, and difficult to scale, or have gone undone. The website is a crowdsourcing platform that breaks down a manual, time-consuming project into smaller, more manageable tasks to be completed by distributed workers over the internet. This platform makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce, who can perform these tasks virtually. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation and research to more subjective tasks like survey participation, content moderation, and more. To get started, click right here, where it says, Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Right here, you can either create tasks or you can make money in your spare time and get paid for completing simple tasks. So, once you are ready, click on Request a Worker Account. Once you do that, you will have to wait for an acceptance email to get started. The number 5 is called Rakuten.com. This is actually a cashback extension app. It helps you get cash back at thousands of stores. If we scroll down, get paid for shopping at all your favorite stores. So, stores pay them a commission for sending you their way. Then this website Rakuten shares that with you as cash back. Everyone wins. Scroll down, how does it works? Join. Sign up for a free account in less than 30 seconds. Shop. Start shopping on Rakuten.com, the Rakuten app, or our extension. Get paid. Watch your cashback balance grow, then get paid via check or PayPal. Scroll down, and right here, we've paid members over $2 billion in cash back. You can earn on everything from clothes and electronics to restaurants and ride-sharing. The website finds you deals on more brands, apps, and services so you can shop easily. Right here, as you can see, 15 million people earning cash back with Rakuten. $2.2 billion in total paid to members since 1999. They have a 14,000 plus 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. And they had a $63.50 average cashback per member in 2020. Scroll down and right here, if you want to join, click here and you will be given a $10 welcome bonus. The number 6 is making money with printables on a website like Etsy.com. Printable includes birthday cards, calendars, planners, wedding cards, and a lot more. All you need to do is create the graphic designs and upload them on this website, or you will stand a chance of making a lot of money. And you may be asking how I can make those. Well, go to this website right here, Canva.com. Once you are here, all you need to do is type the search bar whatever graphic design you want to make, birthday cards, wedding cards, just anything. For example, let's type in calendar. Hit enter. You will land on this page. As you can see, most of the templates on this page are totally free. All you need to do is click on any of the free templates on this page and give it a little touch, and once you are done, go back to Etsy.com and upload it, and you will be able to make sales from the free templates. And as we said, you can try it with the birthday card, a wedding card, and many more. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.